Hilton Head Island in South Carolina will be highly affected by climate change. As the years go on and the water levels rise, the island will be prone to flooding, severe storms, and will start to lose their coast. This place is vulnerable because the sea levels are rising at expedited rates. Also, due to climate change, Hilton Head should expect to see a loss of fisheries and ecosystems off the coast, changes in freshwater resources, and damage to public infrastructure such as roads, sewer systems, and flood control systems. With all of these changes about to occur, insurance premiums can potentially rise as well, as they have to keep up with the expensive claims. Also, in the surrounding area and farmlands, they could expect to have issues with livestock and crop yields if heat waves do arise and occur more often. Warmer temperatures can help the crop yields up to a certain point, but once the temperatures get so high, the crop yields decline. Continuously, Hilton Head will have increases in demand for cooling energy as the region sees additional hot days or prolonged heat waves. Potential impacts on the community include damage to public infrastructure and private property, changes in freshwater resources, a decline in agriculture from damage to livestock and crop yields, and potentially migration once the sea levels rise enough. A potential solution that could help Hilton Head Island could include changing the albedo using light reflective materials on buildings and homes to reduce cooling costs. Also, maintaining flood systems and public infrastructure can keep the costs of severe damage lower as well.